Presenting the 2008 Ford F-150. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, child safety locks, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel drive, passenger airbag on-off switch and rear bench seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.